आमी जर ऑगस्टाक जर पळयलो जाल्यार 65.3% पीपल wanted change in the government and 34.5% people were saying no. Interestingly, in last 2 months, the anti-incumbency has gone up almost by 5% and it has touched 70. आणि नो जे म्हणटा जांकां हे सरकार आसा तशेंच चलिल्ली जाय आनी परत आयिल्ली जाय, that is close to 30%. But why has this anti-incumbency gone up?
That the government's graph is going down. If after surgical strikes, 70 people want change, this must actually be music for Rahul Gandhi.
भ्रष्टाचार जाल्यात आनी तातूंतल्यान पळय जे पळय BJPच्याच लोकां भितर ताणें आपलें तें सगळें वांटून घेतलां आनी बाकीच्या सगळ्यांनी दवरला, ताचो परिणाम ह्या सर्वसामान्य लोकां भितर चड जाल्लो आसा.
Only BJP graph has gone up almost by 20%. Only Congress remains the same. And the Congress-led alliance graph has come down, and percentage of Aam Aadmi Party has also come down.
At one level, they want this government out. It looks like they don't not very clear as to why they want this government out. At there's another point is that the opposition is very, very fractured.
Correct.
So people are finding it very difficult to choose on one. It is A or it is B with a little of others that makes a clear picture. But it's fractured between Congress, AAP, Goa Forward, then there is BBSM in the middle.
A lot of people would prefer only BJP government, or rather they would prefer non-alliance, because if you look at the figures, the alliance options which are there itself have lost traction and they've lost percentage points. People are more interested in having a single party government with a clear majority and no alliance even between the BJP and the MGP.
की लोकांक कोलिशन गव्हर्मेंटा भितर व्हडली इंट्रस्ट ना, लोकांक सिंगल पार्टी गव्हर्मेंट जाय हो एक व्ह्यू जालो.
अपोजिशन पक्षाचे जो सध्या बोवाद चालला पळय तो पळयलें जाल्यार तांची युती जावप हे खूपच कठीण काम आहा. हे लोकांकय पटलां. काही लोक अजून प्रयत्न करतात, विजय सरदेसाय बी आहा पळय ते प्रयत्न करता, परंतु काँग्रेस कडल्यान किंवा बाकीचे पळय आहा न्ही राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस ते तांकां तशें कांय सपोर्ट दिनात. आनी हेका लागून हें जालें की लोकांक दिसलां कितें की हे काय धड न्ही म्हणून. आणि लास्ट टाइम बीजेपी ओन दे हॅव गॉट 21 सीट्स.
करतात की 2012 परस बीजेपीची परिस्थिती चड सुधारल्या.
हय, कारण फाटले 4 वर्सां त्यांनी काम केलां पळय.
Then it goes against the main figure of 70%.
That is, they want change.
Yes.
That is for the alliance.
अलायन्स जें पळय आसा MGP आनी BJPचें अलायन्स पळय आसा तातूंत भितर दोनूय जाण तांची शर्यत चल्ल्या, कॉम्पिटिशन चल्लां. भितर जो पळय तो कितें हें आसा भितरल्यान जो खतखत चलता न्ही ताका लागून हाजो इफेक्ट ह्या कॉमन मनशांचेर जाला. ते म्हणटा कितें हें आमकां नाका, खंयचें तरी एक जावचें. BJP जाल्यार BJP सिंगल पार्टीज करची, नाल्यार MG जाल्यार BJP.
You go to buy a car and there is only one car in the showroom. You might not like it, but you have to buy it.
And because you have to drive something and go back home.
And go.